to another video. Today we have a killer deal on this miter saw. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, bring to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform by subscribers and likes. Yes guys, we got a miter saw on clearance. It's going around to the Lowe's stores, and it's the 7 1/4 24 volt max dual bevel compound miter cordless miter saw. It's the battery operated one. It's on clearance. There's a few of these around. So you guys see there's this one too, the dual bevel with the kit. The one that's on sale is the bare tool. I don't know if it's this one exactly, but it's the model like that. If you guys haven't checked out my video, I do have a video on this. So this is the video I have. This is the clearance power tools at Lowe's. Make sure you guys check it out. I'll see if I can link it up above. But this is a tool here. I'm going to go ahead and play it. So as 164 guys, 164 on this store. Actually today I went to another different Lowe's and it was 174. So definitely a killer deal. Regular price is like $300 and something. Well, actually $269 is the regular price on this, and it's 164 here, and it was 170 something at the other store. It is the 4 1/4 dual compact sliding dual bevel miter saw tool only, so it is the same one as the one we saw over there. It says item number 10-51232. So let's just compare this to this. It might be a different one than this one. If we could see it. Yeah, it's the same one. It is the same exactly one. So anyways guys, this is the miter saw that's on sale. Going around to the Lowe's near you. Make sure you guys check it out. Make sure you guys go online and find out if they have it. Another great place you guys can find is BrickSeek, but there's nothing better. Just call around to your Lowe's and see if you guys have it. I've been to 2 Lowe's so far here in Phoenix, Arizona, and they still have it. So definitely check it out, guys. Definitely a smoking deal. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.